Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about SOEONS stock and key levels to watch May 6, 2026. In the last trading session, the stock formed a bearish candle closed at $9.14. On the weekly time frame, the stock breakout is trend line. On the daily time frame, the key support level is $7.54. If the price goes below $7.54, it could test $6.23. The key resistance level is $10.09. If the price breaks above $10.09, it could test $12.27. That's my view on SOEONS stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more update. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.